Asian Group, one of the top 10 apparel exporters in Bangladesh, with $425 million exported in 2022. The ready-made clothing business pays reverence to human potential in innovative society. Today, we unveil a remarkable tale of women's empowerment within the Asian Group's thriving enterprise since 1992. Every morning, thousands of women steps into the Asian Group manufacturing facilities, which is one of the largest garment manufacturing industries in Bangladesh, ready to embark on a journey of empowerment. These women are not just workers, they are skilled artisans. Through training and skill development, they have become masters of their craft. Here, it's more than just a workplace, it's a community. Women support and uplift each other, fostering an environment of fellowship and growth. Leadership knows no gender. Women have risen to leadership positions, guiding teams with determination and proving that they are architects of success. These women have aspirations beyond the factory floor. They are dreamers, visionaries, and change makers, pushing boundaries and breaking stereotypes.
As I stand here, I am not just speaking about my own journey. I am representing the countless women who have found their voice, their strength and their purpose within our organization. Our workforce has reached 34,000 with 70% being women. 20% of their women hold key decision-making roles. Committed to nurturing our female workforce, and the Asian Group aims for 30% female management representation by 2025 with plans for further growth.
Nasreen Akhtar, who started as a sewing operator in Asian Group, has gone through a tremendous journey in 14 years to being the general manager. She dedicates the success of her journey to the Asian management for the training, motivation and support she received, which made her capable of handling 1,500 employees under her.
Hi, I'm Engineer Farhana Momo, Deputy Manager Electrical at Asian Group. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our organization. Asian Group, it's not just the process and structures that make this place, but the people, leaders, mentors, colleagues who have been the driving force of my journey as an
তাই এশিয়ান পরিবারের প্রতি আমরা কৃতজ্ঞ।